T. Bailey is more than a tank building company. We're a general contractor, a subcontractor, and a supplier. In each of these roles, we bring years of experience to project management, value engineering, civil construction, and steel fabrication. Some companies settle for tackling problems as they arise, but here at T. Bailey, we prefer to eliminate problems before they even start. For us, construction doesn't begin with an excavator. It begins with a set of plans and a thorough analysis of each stage of your project long before we break ground. Our expansive fabrication facility can produce tanks, penstock, and piping of almost any size. Raw steel is cut and rolled to any specification, then cleaned and coated. We can assemble it at our spacious facility or ship it to your job site for assembly in the field. And our quality foundations will fit your custom tank design flawlessly. We pride ourselves on being a full-service, ground-up operation that's unfazed by remote locations or lean resources. Our company's high standards have attracted some of the best in the industry. So whether we're your general contractor, your subcontractor, or your supplier, you can be sure that our expertise and experience will see your project through to successful completion. At T. Bailey, we thrive on milestones. From the first bucket of dirt to the final valve. Milestones mean progress, and progress is the benchmark of T. Bailey.